Hello, this short video is just an introduction to our course and to explain the overview and how you navigate your way through the course. This landing page here is announcements, and this is where I post anything that needs to be announced and due dates, etc., things like that. So it's a quick communication device. And then on the left-hand side, this is what is visible to students, so visible to you. Of course, where do we go? Start here. This is going to be the place where it's a repository of all the information that is necessary for the course. And you can think about this as also something to model when you are putting together your digitally enhanced class. I like to start each module off with some image or infographic that will spark thinking and interest about educational technology. So that's what's on the top of every module. And then each module will have objectives that will be matched with course learning objectives. Then there is the lesson for the module, or lessons if need be. I have the topic for your consideration, which is supplemental material, and it's up to you if you would like to look through it. They are all different in the different modules. Sometimes it's text, sometimes it's an essay. As you can see here, I have a video. So it's supplemental material. And each individual module has its own information. But what it also shares is each module will have the assignments, and that's where you're going to find all your assignments for that module. So then from the start here, which once you're into the course, you'll understand it a little bit more, you'll actually go into learning modules. Start here, like I said earlier, is more of a repository of information that students need to continue to refer back to throughout the semester, where they're not necessarily doing anything, but the learning modules are focused on actual lessons. So the modules here, we have modules 1 through 6, and they're covering each individual topic. This is also listed separately in the course schedule, which is in Start here. And again, each module is going to follow that same pattern where we have an infographic, we have objectives for the module, where you're going to have a lesson for your consideration and assignments. So that is basically how the course is structured for each individual module to make it interesting graphically and interactive, and also just simple to follow how you progress through the course. And as I said earlier, it's also a model for what you can use when you're putting together your own course, however you want to structure it and make it interesting to look at and interactive, etc. So that's just our quick course overview of how we will navigate the course, and looking forward to working with you.